Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. If you see my previous videos, how I created a snake game or a chess or a calculator in a Claude AI, you know what the AI can does for us, how beautiful. But if you would like to create something more complex, that the Claude AI, even the ChatGPT has lots of limitations. Really good for creating sub part or just asking sub tasks for a small detailed part of the whole software application or codes. But if you would like to create something more sophisticated thing and would like to change something on it, especially you have to copy pasting these have copy pasting the codes, have to puzzling it in a online development environment. And if you would like to really change something or specific one, you have to copy paste the exact codes and asking the ChatGPT or Claude AI to changing just the specific sub part of the code. And if you're really working on a complex things, that could be really painful. So just puzzling it and fixing everything, and so that's not that easy. And even like the Claude with the artifacts has some own online development environment, but with lots of limitations. And here when the bolt step in, this new AI tool, what I would like to show you now in this video, this is a bit more complex, has the own online development environment, and you can see how beauties can do it, and everything will be well organized. You can you will see it soon. So if you are interested in the development, might be already these prompts are make something for you. You can see you can use the Astro native script, so that's really nice. Also Angular, so that's you can see all the different features what they can support. So that's also the Remix, TypeScript, React. So that's very cool. So now I just asking for a pretty easy stuff. So like generate a classic snake game with detailed graphics. Just hit the starting button. You can already see something already happening, and here the beauty starts. Here this beauty starts. That's as you can see already. You can everything is well organized, all the parts, and here there is a terminal where we can even modifying the codes manually if you know what you are doing. But other than, as you can see, all the parts are well organized, and this is a issue when like creating on the Claude AI or ChatGPT. On these applications, you can have these subparts, but not you have to copy paste it, and you have to puzzling it, and especially with the complex things that could be boring and takes a lot of time. And also what does not happen now, but could happen when the system made some mistakes or some errors in the code. And this is why also good, you can go immediately to the code and see the whole codes by parts, which is really pretty cool feature due to not the other AI tools have this kind of feature. And here you can see subparts, and here you can modify even with the terminal. And also, if you have some errors, also you can ask the the bot to fix it, which is also amazing tool. So here we're going back to the preview, which is like a artifact in a Claude AI. As you can see, already I can play with the game, like was the same in the artifact in the Claude AI. But here it's really the difference is you can see all the parts separately of the codes, and due to this everything is well organized. You can ask more sophisticated tasks from the more sophisticated tasks from the bot. So what if I would like to change something? I have two options. First, we can go to the code. We can looking for any subpart, and if we really know what we are doing, we can modify also the code, or we can use an additional prompt like too dark, lighter colors, but with contrast. So if I asking this, the system start to work, and as you can see, the structure is already here, and the bolt is fixing the parts what we ask in a code, but only just in a specific part, not rewriting the whole code, just modify what we are asking. This is also a pretty amazing feature. You can see that's just updating, not rewriting. This is a huge difference due to like in a Claude AI, if I just ask something, the whole code will be generated from the scratch. Then maybe the part what we like was already gone due to why is it white? Okay. So what I would have mentioned, the Claude AI, even the ChatGPT, sometimes just rewrite the whole code starting from scratch. So all the things what we like is gone, or not technically gone, just we have to going back to the previous answer, and we have to copy paste the whole code and asking for the just to change the specific thing what we would like to ask. Okay, this is the second and the third, and game over. Nice. And as you can see, also the high score is saved. So that's a pretty cool feature. And also the funny thing here, we can downloading it, or we can opening it in a StackBlitz, which is a other online development environment. Here also we have this own terminal. You can see also the structures. It is also pretty cool. And here also have a preview part, like artifacts. Then you can also play with the, at least we can try the game. Why they cannot control now? Okay, now here I just have to click on the game. Otherwise I cannot control with the keyboard. So here you can see as it's a pretty complex system. So I just closing this stack blitz. If you don't know it, it's like actually a online development environment where you can try lots of different things. And also a funny thing, we can deploy, and the system will deploy the application to the Netlify directly. As you can see, and we do not even need a Netlify account. Just uploading it, building application, deploy to Netlify, and here we have the link immediately. So we can play here with our snake game. So that's also a pretty cool feature when we can do everything on one place. And also the good thing, this is more for the real developers. Here they can really try lots of things and make a more complex code. And the really good thing is, if you do not have to puzzling it, you don't need to copy paste all these subparts and just build your own structure somewhere else. Here you have everything well organized, well structured, and you can see everything in one place. Even with the preview function, you can see what you are doing, or even you can deploy immediately to the Netlify, and you already have this share link, which is also a pretty funny function. Or just opening directly in a stack blitz. Lots of developers knows this site, or just downloading it. But you can, when you're downloading it, everything will be downloaded like a same well organized structure, which is also a pretty cool feature. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it, and if you like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave some notes if you're struggling in any Canva application or anything in a Canva or AI. I try to answer it as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page, where you can find lots of tutorials about Canva, also AI, plus you can find lots of text to image generation prompts in different applications. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao.